Hello guys. Today I'm gonna be unboxing a fire alarm that I've wanted for kind of a while now. Yeah, so we're going to open this right now. Got it right here. Oh yeah. Alright, here we go. 3, 2, well, okay, I'll reset it. 3, 2, 1. Boom. A Wheelock-EH-DL1-WM-24. A lot of dashes in there. Yeah, so this is a horn strobe, and I'm pretty sure all it does is continuous. Yeah. Unless there's a jumper. Not sure, actually. I think you can only do continuous on this. Yeah, so, this is one I've been wanting for a while because I kind of like the strobe design. Need to get this off. I know how to do that, so no worries. But yeah, here's the back. So yeah, these are the strobe terminals and these are the horn terminals. Yeah, so what this is, so if you look at it from here, it looks like there is like, it is there, as you can see, like right here. But if you look at it like straight on, you can't see it, which I like, actually. Yeah, so this one, the glue on this strobe has not loosened yet, but when the glue starts to like when the glue starts to fade, starts to loosen, you can actually take this off. But mine, let's see, nope. The strobe cover on mine has not, the glue has not done anything. Louie's head is in the bag. What you doing? Oh, okay. So, yeah. Yeah. Wheelock-EH-DL1-WM-24. Kind of long. Rather just say EHDL1. Yeah. So, you want, oh yeah, if you look under here, well, kind of, you can see that, but also, like I said, once the glue on this starts to degrade over time, then if you take this off, you could see the stuff that's inside. Like, you could see that one of those things. I don't know what that is. Yeah, so this is, I've wanted this alarm for kind of a while. I found one for a good price, and I got it. So thank you to the seller who got this to me. Packaged it really well. Yeah. I'll see you guys in my next video. Goodbye.